hindi dapat malaman ng kahit sino ang totoong relasyon ninyo ni Patrick.
Yes, Lord. I mean, Kuya.
Parang ngayon pa lang ay nagdadasal ka na.
You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can't erase a feeling.
Go, Engineer! Nandito, ding dong. Oh, ayun.